It's a beautiful day to ride. We're gonna do the long highway test. About a 45-mile round trip. And see how she does under high speed for extended periods of time. Rock and roll. Welcome back to Montana. We're going to keep heading north. The old four-way stop. All clear. Rock and roll. Stevensville, 13 miles. That I have to say was excellent. effortless. About a 20-mile highway stretch. And hold on. Yeah, hold on. It's a video. Anyway, about a 20-mile highway stretch. I gotta pay attention to where I'm going. And really effortless. It handled it no problem. We were doing between 60 and about 67. Average about 63, 64. And just as smooth as can be. Love it. Alright, I think I'm here, so oh yeah, I certainly recognize the car already. Now let me just figure out where I'm gonna park. Why not here in the shade and the pine needles? Nice little neighborhood here. Stevensville, Montana, in a court. Got some nice mountains on the west side, kind of like Hamilton and Corvallis. I was given a suggestion on the way out of here. We're going to go ahead and make the loop back to the main highway, but instead of going by the super one in Stevensville, we're going to go down to Bell Crossing and take that. I was told it was a little more fun and scenic, so we are going to check it out. Let's rock. Middle Burnt Fork Road. They got some strange names. It's not the burnt fork on the left, it's the burnt fork on the middle. Nope, it's the other burnt fork. Jesus, how many burnt forks have you got? Okay, here we are at the East Side Highway, so we're going to go ahead and head south until we find this Bell Crossing. This is Bell Crossing. Let's go ahead and give her a shot. The other side will be Willoughby. And yep, Bell Crossing. Here we go. Back and go. That way. Oh well. We're coming up now on Highway 93, so we're probably somewhere close to Victor, Montana, would be my guess. Making the loop. We took East Side Highway to the north, now we're going to take main Highway 93 to the south. Welcome to Victor, Montana. Oh hey, look at that, I spoke too soon. It says welcome right there. Welcome to Victor. Well, thank you very much. I feel very welcome. So I was cruising about 70, 71, at least on the Speedo, at about 8 1/4 RPM on a flat straightaway, just to give you guys an idea. And it really didn't feel like anything, like it was stressing. It felt pretty good, pretty smooth. All right, we're gonna keep heading south. Stretch, averaging about 70 down the highway 93. We're going to cross over back to the east side. This is Corvallis, and yeah, just give the engine a little break at the 8K range. Pipe her down a bit. The adventure continues. Corvallis again, second time for the same ride. Up here you're going to see the four-way stop. We're going to take a right and keep heading south, back on the east side. Damn, that subway kind of sounds good. Oh shit, I got tamale signal. This about wraps it up. We're back here at Fairgrounds. We didn't quite make a loop. Well, we did. And we didn't quite make a figure 8. It was more like a letter P. You know, like gotta take a piss. So good times. Great ride. Great test. The journey goes on. Always. Rock and roll. All that good stuff. See you next time. We're done. By the way, and I know this is kind of obvious, bugs. You get a lot of dirt and bugs, right? And pretty much all over the place. When you're going to be riding fast. So, we'll clean up